What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alpella. If you're new to my channel, I would like to say a very big welcome. Thank you for joining in. Today, we're going to be looking at how to get money from rich people or from kind people. Some people also call it crowdfunding. Oh yes, that is what it is. So today I'll be taking us on step by step in one of the platform on how to sign up and how to fill in all the documents you need to fill and then wait for people to start giving you that money of your choice for you to do what you want to do. Now, I would like to say something. I don't believe in begging for money. But one thing I know, when you have a need, please go for it. When you are in trouble, please go for it. Look for people to help you, okay? But if you know you can walk, then please, this is not for you. But if you know you're in problem, maybe you're a businessman, you're a businesswoman, maybe you're into debt, you're into loans, you're in serious situation that you can't come out. You have tried all you can and you know you can't come out, then this is for you. Just like my loans and debts I'm paying, it has not been easy, but it is worth going through the process so that I'll be able to teach, yes, you looking at me, yes, you listening to me, how to come out of it as well. Okay, so I have 10 amazing platforms I'll be showing us, and I'll be going step by step with one of them, especially if you're from Nigeria and you're in Nigeria, then you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Okay, so let's start. Now, I also want you to know that some of these platforms don't allow Africans or some countries to apply for this online money. Okay, remember, it is not a loan, it is not a grant. It is a free money given to you or given to anyone that needs money from this part of the countries. And some of the countries are not given to Africans. Okay, so you have some countries that, yes, you can beg for money from rich people, from kind people, but you can't sign up as an African. Let's narrow it down. As a Nigerian, there are some platforms you can't sign in. Okay, so I'm going to be telling us the 10 amazing platforms I found out, but I'll be using one that works all over the world as a sign up so that you, wherever you are, you can sign up and start earning that free money you desire for people to help you come back on your foot if you're down. All right, so let's go. The first one is called Indiegogo. Indiegogo. Now, Indiegogo is an amazing platform. I tried to sign up here, but I noticed that if you're from Africa or if you're a Nigerian, you're not able to sign up here because there's no provision for Nigerians. But if you're from other part of the country that Indiegogo accepts, what you ought to do is to click on sign up and then you fill in all this information. Okay, then the next step, when you are finished and it has been accepted, you now click on login and then you log in. All right, then the next step is for you to click on start a campaign. Now, when you click on start a campaign, you're going to see pre-launch and you're going to see crowdfunding. Now, for me, I will just tell you to go straight to your crowdfunding and you fill everything. But if you're from a country where you are not allowed, what do you do? If you're someone that you know somebody that is in the country that is accepted, you can use the person's address, the person's phone number, and then fill in and join this platform. It's also allowed. Okay, but make sure you put of foreign currency like dollar, pound, or euro. Okay, so let's go back to number 2. So number 2 is funding. Now, this platform is a platform where if you're someone that you're in need, it starts from you begging as somebody that needs whatever that you need. Just come here and ask for it, and they will help you. You can ask that you want to travel, someone will do it for you. If you're someone that you're sick and you need help, someone or people will also help you with it. Okay? Whatever that is your need, they are here to help you. So it's a funding helps with club and community, creative projects, disaster reliefs, fun and special events, kids, family, and lots more, medical, whatever it is, funding can help you with it. Now, how do you join? You click on Start a Fundraiser. Now, it's going to open up this way for you. Okay, say raise money for anything. So whatever it is, you don't need to lie. You're welcome in this platform. Now, they have for individuals and they have for non-profits. So if you have an NGO and you would like to raise money, then here as well is for you. But yours is to click on individuals and it says start for free with your Facebook or start with email. Let's go back to number 3. Now, number 3 is JustGiving. Imagine you would like to go for sports or you would like to go for mountain climbing, you want to go for mountain climbing for cancer research, you want to also raise for someone that is sick, you want to also raise for whatever foundation, whatever, this platform will do it for you. Okay, look at this. You can also donate to charity. You can raise money for your own cause. So this is how it is. Now, what do you do? The first step is for you to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will open up for you this way. So all you need to do is to fill in all your details and you click on sign up. Okay? So they're going to ask if you would like them to always send you emails. For me, you can say yes. Okay? Yes. And then you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will open up for you and you're going to see your name here at the up of your sign up. So it now says start fundraising. Hi everyone, finally is now official. I have promised UPL community that I'll be bringing my affiliate link to the community to help people earn commission with my books, my eBooks, my video courses, and anything and everything I'll be doing on my platforms. Now, you can join and become an affiliate marketer. And it's simple. How do you do it? Click the link below to join and become an affiliate marketer. That is all you need to do. You're not paying any money to join the affiliate link. The only thing you are doing is to get our online Bible, which is the social media mastery, your blueprint to marketing success. That is the guide we use in our affiliate marketing community. And it's also a guide you can use for your online world and in your online business. So what are you waiting for? Come on, come become part of UPL affiliate marketing community and change your online earnings and change your online story. No more stories concerning your financial freedom. Come become part of us. See you live. So we'll continue our training. Let's go over to the next one. So we'll be looking at number 4. So number 4 is gogetfunding.com. So this is a powerful personal fundraising platform. Okay, so they are fast, they are free to start, and crowd funded millions for US campaigns. Okay, so this is a very good one, and you can see how friendly they look. Okay, so it's easy, it's trusted, and yours is just to go through, check everything. If your country is allowed, you just click on start funding and you fill everything you need to fill. And the moment you are through, you're ready to start getting money from rich and rich people that are kind and that will also love to help. Okay, so the next one we'll be looking at is number 5. So number 5 is fundable. Now, how do you start? You just click on get started, and it has to do with you requesting for money as a professional, also as someone that wants people to invest in what you do. You can just go through it to see all what they do. Okay, and these are amazing people that are ready to help people and give money to people for free. Okay, so click on get started, and then you fill in, prepare yourself to start earning that money you desire. All right, if your country is allowed, you go ahead and do it. If not, you wait till the end of the video and you'll be seeing the one that works for Africa or for Nigerians. So we'll be ending the video here. This is the part 1. I don't want this video to be too long. If you didn't see your country that works here, watch out for part 2. But if you saw a country or a country that accepts your own country, then congratulations, and start earning money from kind and rich people. So thank you all. If you know you have not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe, put on the notification, and welcome to UPL community. Make sure you click on the link below and join our affiliates community and start earning that money for yourself as well. So thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and